welcome to the Mimo Spices cooking series, and especially welcome to our season finale. This is episode 10. Thank you for sticking around. If you have watched all of our previous episodes, you're the real OG. And I just want to give a special thanks to the community of women that have participated in this season with me. Thank you to everyone. Today, for the season finale, we're making chicken rotisserie. I used to find this recipe very complicated, especially for Thanksgivings and if you're hosting. But I found a really good method that helps make your chicken really juicy. So we're trying the chicken brine today. So I went ahead and put my chicken in the brine for about 12 hours. And now I'm just going to prepare the marinade and put it into the oven. So let's get started. For our ingredients today, we have some butter, corn, potatoes, and then some vegetables. You can use your vegetables of choice. And then, of course, we have our Mimo spices. So to get started, we're going to take some of the spices that we'll be using today. So I'm going to start with some pepper. So I got this recipe from a very good friend of mine. She used it to make some chicken wings, and I think that's how I got more customers, because everyone wanted to know what she used for her recipe. So I'm doing what she did, and we'll see how good it tastes. So now I'm just adding in some ginger. Again, I wish I could tell you the exact measurements, but it's usually an eye measurement for me. But if I were to estimate the amount I'm putting in, it will be about 3 teaspoons each. So that's garlic. I'm going to put in some onions. All-purpose seasoning. Some soya pepper for that extra kick. I'm guessing this will bring out the unique taste that I'm going for today with the chicken. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some salt to taste. Optional. And I just added 2 little teaspoons of salt. Now I'm going to mix that together. And then going with my butter. So the secret to a juicy rotisserie chicken is butter. So you don't want your chicken to get really dry in the oven. So you're gonna add some butter. Okay. So now I'm just going to mix everything into a paste so I can apply it on my chicken. So while I'm mixing this, I'm just going to give you the recipe, the quick ingredients used in the chicken brine. So I put some spring onions, rosemary, thyme, some parsley, some bay leaf, garlic, about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of salt, and then I added some lemon in there as well. Oh yes, and cinnamon, yeah, some cinnamon sticks. Okay, so now my paste is mixed up. I didn't put in all my butter because I'm going to go ahead and stuff this directly in the chicken. But yep, I'm going to bring out the chicken and get to marinating. So I hope the kitchen guards are not upset that I have gloves on, because there's a battle. I see that battle going online most of the time between using your hand to marinate or the chicken versus wearing gloves. Okay, that's a very healthy looking chicken. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub on the body, inside. Just give the chicken a very good massage. Okay, so now that the chicken is fully marinated, I'm just going to put that aside for 2 hours to give it time to fully marinate all of the spice. So we're going to grill our chicken with some vegetables, corn and potatoes. So I'm just going to put some around. Just like that. Everything looks good. Wow, this looks so good. So this cooked for about an hour and a half on 350, and I wanted to slowly cook it and allow the spices to really marinate with it. So it looks so good. I'm sure it tastes as good as it looks. I'm just going to go ahead and plate it. So let me know. Would you be trying the chicken brine method? Because this looks so juicy. Wow, this looks so juicy. So even with putting it in the oven for about an hour and a half at 350, it still came out looking so juicy. So safe to say that I just overcame one of my fears of, cooking a whole bed. So would you be trying this? I recommend the brine method because of how juicy the chicken looks. So let me know what you think about this method and if you'll be giving this recipe a try. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.